This is another video with Podcanny. This is Racing Rivals episode 12. Yeah, so anyway, as usual, I have no idea what we're gonna do. If there's any background noise, I'm sorry. And I seriously need to know what we're gonna do. Today I have one idea, I was looking, of course you can't, Racer Showdown is the only way you can get a bronze or silver or golden car, but I was wondering, is there any color in the actual paint, like the workshop place, that may look like a bronze, gold, or something? You know what I mean? Of course there's not a color that's going to look like this, but like a bronze maybe, or something that's shiny like that. I was just wondering, so let's just go check it out. If this thing wants to load, and that's really loud. I think it was that loud last video as well, so I apologize. Oops. Why am I doing that? Oh yeah, I got a Charger RT. I have a team request, so I'm just gonna go ahead and check that. Is it 66? Seriously? I thought this guy was on my team already. Why does he keep leaving and then coming back? He was co-leader. Now when does this dude join? Whatever. Anyway, what's about the event points? Rank 1 with 126. Really? When did I even turf? Anyway, here's a Charger RT I got. It's maxed, I think. I'm pretty sure. I know we have, I don't know, but there's no use for a Charger RT anyway. But just thought for pinking, I guess, a bit. Let's just see on this car. Is there any gold paints? What does that thing look like? That just straight up yellow. That's a straight up yellow. Or even a bronze paint will work, like something. That looks, kinda. That looks kinda actually. Yeah? Ooh, that looks bronze. That looks more bronze, I guess. That color. That looks straight up brown to me. I really can't find a paint. No, that's straight up yellow. I seriously can't find any good paints for a thing. Like, this one may look a bit like, you know. This one has a bit of a, you know. Actually, no, not really. This one, more just straight up yellow. I'm trying to look for a paint that might even just fit in for bronze. Oops, sorry I pressed that. Lime green is a nice paint on this, actually. Well, this isn't lime green, but whatever. This, kinda, I guess, kinda. That's just yellow. It actually may fit. It may fit a bit. That kinda looks like bronze. Kinda. It actually kinda does. Weird. Are there any airports on the Charger? I've actually never seen them. Yeah, there's not even a hood, so there's probably nothing on the Charger. I don't know, let's just go for suspension, you know? Because probably stage 2 is the best. Stage 3 is gonna make it wait, so we don't need that. So Charger, what the heck are we supposed to do? Let me just go and check if it's even actually upgraded. Nitro tires. I don't think it's maxed though. Or if it is, yeah, it's not maxed. Plus, even if it is, then it's probably not proper tuned. I'd actually think that stage 2 is the best for the charger on the cat converter. Yeah, that would be better. I'm just gonna go ahead and install that header. No, mainly because I just want to pink in this charger, and what the heck is that? Oh yeah, I remember these. Takes away weight or put up 3 powers. Let's take away some weight from this thingy as well. I guess this is kind of just an upgrading the charger. That thing is stage 1. Hello? Let's just finish it. I think number 2 is the best. So I'll let that rest. Wait, did I do everything? No, I didn't do the manifold. There we go. That's what I was wondering. I thought it was running 11. I'm like, no, I don't think that's what it should be running. Yeah, not worth it. Not worth it. This thing, 22, 25, and yeah, that much weight? No way. Okay, yeah, this is probably not maxed. Overall, I think this is probably a stage 2 car. B is better. How's this going through checking which one is better? I don't know why we're just doing this. You know what? While we have the chance, I'm gonna buy a few boosts so I don't have to worry about that later. Now we have 13 guns. But at least we have 13 boosts. Now I don't have to worry about that when I'm pinking. What? What's better? I think C is the best. Wait, was that for free? I thought that was 29 secs. Oh no, that's 29 mins. Not worth it. Too much weight. Not worth it. Wait, I just checked the exact same thing again. Stage 1. Okay, that was confusing. Wait, let me just check. What? Okay. Anyway, that was weird. Well, he's a South Spoiler 22 now. That's better. Yeah, no doubt this one's the best. Why am I wasting all my money on this? Okay. Anyway. I don't know why I'm wasting money on this thing, but I guess it'll pay off when I go painting it. I think. This charger is seriously booming. This is overall stage 2. I'm just gonna go with number 2. I need to reduce Let's reduce weight as well. Assault Spoiler 22. Let's just go send him an invite real quick. Guys, remember if you want to join, just request me. Because I can't invite everyone, so yeah. Anyway. Engine head, I don't think you're supposed to upgrade. No, okay, it's different for the Charger then. That's weird. Why am I giving so much money on this thing? I feel straight up bad for myself. Shush. Undoubtedly, this one's the best. Man, I don't think... God. Why am I even maxing it out? The Charger. Yeah, this one I'm doing for sure. Minus 10 on weight. That's perfect. This one's going to be minus 13, so let's just do that as quick as possible. Wait, it's minus 3, not 13. Oh, whatever. Oh, it's 13 now. I'd keep that as stock. The only reason I actually do driver train is because they really reduce undoubtedly see. I guess the Charger will pay off in Pinky. Anyway, okay, I need to upgrade this. The bottle for sure. I need to make a stage 2 like pronto. It runs like out like 1, 2, 3 out. Jet score. I think stage 2 is better because this does add in power. Just adds engine damage. Anyway, turbocharger. These things cost a lot of money. But it's 23, so not intercooler. Turbocharger. Not maxed. B. 6K. I'm doing it. I guess we can make money later. Not worth it. Not worth it. Please be all not worth it. I don't want to waste any more money. No, goddamn. B. I am so stupid. It's all going in on the Charger. What time is it again? 13. Please stay stock. Yes, not worth it. I just want it to be stock, like seriously. Pro 8 doesn't... Okay, it does a lot. I can't believe that guy didn't put it. And well, I guess here we go. We spent around 60K. No. We spent 70K on this Charger. Holy. Oh god. 11K and 11 gems. Now you better be grateful, you stupid Charger. No one would put that much money into you, you piece of crap. Well, I guess we could put rims on it. After all, we did go all into it. I think I'm gonna go with the classics. No, these aren't classics. Too flashy. For this typical. Wait, actually, no. Wait. No. SSR, not yet. Don't take me there yet. Actually, go on SSR for a second. What the hell is that? Those are kind of old rims. Those look pretty legit. No, these? No. One Pacer, there was one where this one looks pretty old. I'm not trying to put good rims, I'm trying to put old looking rims that match the car. I don't know, ground lights. Hell no. Too unmatchable. These look kinda old. These are two, I'm gonna keep these in mind. I'm gonna keep this in mind. AMAX Classics. But no, it's not AMAX Classics, it's something else. Beast Mode? Yeah. So these are 1K. These are classical. These are golden classics. Well, not golden, but you know. These, hell no. Not for a charger, I mean. Yeah, blades. They seem classic enough, I think. These are blades. I think I'm gonna keep these. Or I could put on these, but you know. Wait, what the hell? Seriously, you gave me the smallest? No. Yeah, it better be the biggest. Okay, whatever. Change it. There we go. Anyway, so there we go. There's the new and improved charge. Actually, I'm gonna put some paint on it, even though it's a charger. Just for fun. There ain't nobody got time for any other paints. Actually, this would make kind of sense. I don't know if I like those wheels anymore. Whatever. Keep them the way they are. What the hell? Oh yeah. Anyway. It's got 18 upgrades on this too. Of course, after all that upgrading, maxing it, well almost, I'm not gonna be, selling it just by pressing that, because that's only 10,500. I spent at least 70k on this thing already. Plus, there was more from when I bought it, Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. That's 20 minutes of our episode. And, well, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Make it 20 minutes. There we go.